How to add PayPal payments to Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through the steps and processes on how we're going to be adding PayPal payments to our Shopify account. So to start yourself off with this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to shopify.com, and over here you're simply going to go over to your settings. As you go into settings, you're going to go over to payments, and once you come over to payments, over here where you're going to click on choose a provider, and once you click on choose a provider, simply add PayPal over here. Okay, so once you write PayPal, in the case that it doesn't give you PayPal in their payment methods over here, that's not an issue. You're simply going to go over here and you're going to click on supported payment methods, because it depends on region to region whether they provide you PayPal or not. So we're going to come here, and here you can see you get all these different options that give you PayPal. So that's pretty incredible, right? You get all these ways to get yourself PayPal. So yeah, you're just going to choose that. And here you can see it gives you PayPal. So just click on this over here. And once you do that, you're going to click on connect. And once you click on connect, it takes you through the, user key and all. And you're going to make sure to add all of that in for yourself. And yeah, that's how you're going to connect your PayPal payments to your Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.